Hi friends, welcome back to Rishi Learns Tech. Today I would like to discuss with you about what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and data science. How all these technologies are making changes in the current world. Artificial intelligence is a technology which is making changes drastically in this world right now. And artificial intelligence is the one who is standing at the top of all these technologies, machine learning, deep learning and data science. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the technology used to mimic the human brain into a machine so that the machine will also become intelligent as human. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the technology used to mimic the human brain into a machine so that the machine will also become intelligent as human. So let us discuss what is the different types of artificial intelligence. The three types of artificial intelligence are artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. So now let us look at some examples for these three kind of artificial intelligence. For artificial narrow intelligence, whatever we use today are the examples for artificial narrow intelligence. For example, the YouTube recommendations, Netflix recommendations, Spotify recommendations. We are using Siri, Alexa, and all these kind of voice assistants. And all these things are the examples of artificial narrow intelligence. So now let's look what is the example for artificial general intelligence. For artificial general intelligence, you might have seen the movie called I, Robot by Will Smith. This movie is an example for artificial general intelligence, where there will be humanoid robots and they can do whatever need, they are thinking of. And what is artificial super intelligence? Studies related to these topics are currently going on. So now let us look at some examples for artificial super intelligence. In the current world, there is no practical example for artificial super intelligence, but the studies say that if the artificial super intelligence is achieved, then the robots or the machines will also start expressing their emotions and relationships to the others. So now let's look at what is machine learning. So machine learning is something working behind the scenes of artificial intelligence. To make a machine artificially intelligent, we have to make that machine learn something. For that, we are using machine learning. Machine learning can also be categorized into three types: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. So now you might be thinking of what is deep learning, right? Yes, deep learning is somewhat deep. It is coming inside machine learning. Actually, we know that neurons are something which is working in our brain. So if we need to imitate this brain means we have to make neurons inside a machine, right? For that we are using deep learning. So deep learning, we are actually creating neurons, and these neurons are the things which is identifying or which is making the machine learn something. So now you will be thinking about what is data science. So data science is actually a bit different from all these things. While all these things are creating models and making the machines intelligent, but data science is something related to the data that we have to give to these machines for making these machines intelligent. For it is actually the sense of the data. So now you will be thinking about what is data science. So data science is actually a bit different from all these things. While all these things are creating models and making the machines intelligent, but data science is something related to the data that we have to give to these machines for making these machines intelligent. For it is actually the sense of the data. So data science includes some other steps which is not about making a model, but it is about preparing the data which has to be given to a machine to build a specific type of model. So this data science is actually the analysis of the data. So it includes many processes like collection of data, data pre-processing, and data visualization, data cleaning, all those things. So now I hope that you might have got a better idea or better clarity about all these topics and what all are the difference between them. So if you think this video is informative, just hit that like button. You can also connect me through other social provides. I will put the link in the description. So thank you for watching this whole video, and until we meet next time with another tech topic. Bye.